Dearborn Academy welcomed Mr. Logan to our school today to talk about respect. I think the message was very strong for our students, and a lot of them
It was well received, and they could relate to Mr. Logan's presentation, and
we would encourage other schools to bring him to visit their students and share his message.
Listen, y'all heard what they said, man. Listen, they loved it. 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 They loved it.
they want him to come back for some more. And they want his apparel. Hopefully he sells it.
They want us to come back, and they want an apparel. But listen, guys, most importantly, listen, wouldn't be able to do this without the amazing principal, the assistant principal, and of course, their amazing students. So again, thank you so much, Dearborn Academy, for this opportunity. It's a privilege and an honor. As always, Y.B.Normal when you can be extraordinary.
Logan is great. He did a great job talking about respect to our students. Love to have him back, form a relationship with him. Totally recommend Y.B.Normal.